Ever wondered if you can make your Corolla dashboard lights brighter? Check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2008 Toyota Corolla and this is a sedan version. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the brightness on the dashboard lights. Now I did notice on a Facebook group that there was someone there that was struggling to adjust them, so I thought I'd make this video to help them out. Now the menu is actually only available when the lights are on, so you've got to have the ignition on and the lights on. And now when you press this button here, there'll actually be a new option come up. So when you go trip A, trip B, and then it will go to this one here, which has little dots on it. And what you do is you basically just hold the button in and it will cycle through. And when you've got all 5 columns of dots on, that's actually at its brightest now. And then obviously if it's too bright, you hold it, you can go all the way down to the first column there, which would be the dullest. Now obviously I'm filming this in the daylight, so it's a bit hard to appreciate it, but that would be the brightest there. So there we go. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.